Your design team is busy, your brand guidelines are buried somewhere in a Google Drive folder nobody touches, and you need a one-pager by Friday. So you open up whatever deck you used last time, change a few words, and call it good. Claude Design is built to fix that. It's a new tool from Anthropic that turns Claude into your personal on-brand design assistant. Feed it your logo, your fonts, your color palette, even your website code. And from then on, every slide deck, landing page, or PDF it makes will look like it came from your design team, if you have one. Hi, I'm Tom from XRAY, the workflow company, and we just finished a major rebrand, complete with a new site and detailed style guide. So this is the perfect time for us to dive into Claude Design. In this video, I'll show you how we're using Claude Design to quickly create on-brand assets that perfectly match our new style. I'll also walk you through how you can set it up too. Let's get into it. Head to claude.ai/design and sign in with your Claude account. Claude Design is currently in beta, available to anyone on a pro plan or higher. Once you're in, you'll see a short intro video showing off what the tool can do. After that, it walks you through a quick onboarding questionnaire. What will you make? And offers some tips based on your answers. Honestly, it's not very helpful. You can totally skip it. The most important thing to do first is set up a design system. This is where you upload your code, design files, logos, fonts, and anything else that defines your brand. Before we get into the design system, a quick word on what we do at XRAY. Setting up something like this, an AI workflow, or even a full automation stack is exactly the kind of thing we help businesses do every day. If you'd rather have an expert build it with you than figure it out on your own, we offer hands-on consulting starting at $250 an hour, no retainer required. And if you're not quite there yet, we publish free tutorials on AI and automation every week at our website, xray.tech. Either way, that's how you find us. Now, back to it. Claude gives you several options for uploading reference material. Most of them aren't specifically required, but the more context you give it, the better the results generally. But don't give it examples that are just really different. That'll just confuse the design system. This whole process will be much easier if you already have branding documentation, a style guide, or access to your website's code. Let's go through each option. First, give Claude your company name and a short description of what you do. Pull your go-to blurb from your marketing or branding docs and paste it in directly. Next, Claude asks you to provide examples of your design system and products, with a note that code and design files will work best. If you have a GitHub repo, you can link it here. If not, you can upload a file, and that's what we'll do. Our site is built on Webflow, so we'll export the code straight from the main menu and upload it directly. Providing code is the ideal approach. It gives Claude the exact specs, how round to make the corners, the kerning, your hex codes, your spacing, all of it. If you don't have access to your site's code, a Figma file is the next best option. It's the better choice if you're a designer, or if your brand lives primarily in design files rather than a code base. Claude includes instructions for downloading your Figma file if you need them. We'll download our brand guidelines Figma file and upload that too, since it gives Claude helpful natural language guidelines for how to use our brand, useful for cases that go beyond just the website. Finally, you can add fonts, logos, and other assets, like patterns or shapes. Fonts are especially important. Claude needs the actual font files to render text correctly. You can also add icons, illustrations, or any other visual assets you want Claude to work with. There's one last field, any other notes. This is where you can describe your brand in general, qualitative terms. The feel of it, the personality, the things that are hard to capture in a file. We've already covered all that in our Figma brand guidelines, so we'll leave this blank for now. But this is where you can get creative and really specific. If you're not providing a separate brand doc, this is the place to put that information. Once you've added everything you want, click Continue to Generation. Claude tells you it takes about 5 minutes to process, but if you're uploading a lot of files like we did, be ready for a longer wait. You can grab a cup of coffee or tea and come back, or stick around and watch Claude work through your reference material. It's actually pretty interesting to see it methodically picking everything apart to build a comprehensive style guide. It's like compressing months and months of research into just 10 minutes. Once it's done, Claude Design walks you through the finished design system one component at a time. For me, it started with primary and extended colors, then moved through typefaces, spacing, and so on. Review each one. If it looks right, approve it and move on. If something's off, tell Claude what to change. For us, a few of the icons didn't quite look right, so we clicked Needs Work and described what to fix. Claude gets to work immediately in the chat window on the left, and you keep reviewing the rest of the system while it does. Once the updates are ready, it'll share the revised version for your approval. There's a lot to go through, so take your time and give specific feedback. Getting this right matters, because every asset Claude creates will be built from this foundation. That said, don't stress too much about perfection. You can always come back and edit the design system later. The last component Claude gave us to review was something I didn't expect: a full marketing website. Compared to our actual site, it's simpler, no animations, less complex overall, but the style is spot on. Colors, fonts, layout decisions, it looks like it came from the same brand. And it did. That's when it clicked for me, how useful this is going to be for our whole team. Slide decks, one-off landing pages, PDF explainers, campaign assets, anything we need. Anyone on the team can make it look like our brand now. So that's Claude Design in a nutshell. With your design system set up and your brand assets loaded in, Claude is ready to produce on-brand materials whenever you need them. The point isn't to save a few hours on a single one-pager. It's to make it so anyone on your team can create the assets if they need it. Marketing, sales, even accounting. Anyone can put together clean, branded content with a couple of prompts. If you want help building that kind of setup across your whole business, not just design, but your entire workflow, that's what we do at XRAY. Find us on our website at xray.tech and book a free 15-minute consultation. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe to the channel for more AI and automation updates every single week. You can also find me and my company XRAY by searching for XRAY Automation on nearly every social media platform. For now, I've got to go, so until next time, find your focus and stay in flow.